Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Seneca County, northern Schuyler County, southeastern Yates County, southern Cayuga County, northwestern Tompkins County, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Townsendville, or 10 miles east of Dundee, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hector, Pulaski, Starkey, Covert, Locke, Genoa, Ledyard, Trumansburg, Dundee, and Moravia.